Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the short is a local video file. This makes moving it to your gallery simple. Export from the YouTube Studio or Creator app as MP4/MOV, vertical 9, 16, and under 60 seconds so gallery players behave. Once done, make sure the device gave YouTube or your editor permission to write to storage. Otherwise, the file stays sandboxed. You'll save time by confirming resolution and file name. Now, so the gallery recognizes the clip, now you export and place the file into the device gallery. If you're on mobile, open the short in the YouTube app, tap the three-dot menu and choose Save to Device. This writes to your Photos/Gallery. If you edited elsewhere, use the editor's Share or Export function and pick Gallery or Photos as the destination. If the app lacks the option, download the MP4 from Studio to your computer and transfer via USB, AirDrop, or cloud so the gallery sees it as a normal camera video. Finish by verifying the short appears in your gallery and plays correctly. You should find it in Videos or a new YouTube album. Play to confirm audio and orientation. If it doesn't show, refresh the media scanner by rebooting or move the file into DSIM/camera with a file manager so the gallery indexes it. Make sure the file is MP4 or compatible, and double-check storage permissions for the app that saved it. If needed, convert the file format and repeat the save step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.